Husky has been a partner with Ecopack since 2004. We had known them earlier, but it took us a little time to change technologies. But once we moved to Husky, there's been no looking back. And I'm very happy to say that. The level of service, the level of contact, Husky virtually holds your hand and takes you through the process of learning. It's one of the most impressive companies I've come across, and not because of their contact with the customer, but also their incredible innovation. To my mind, they've been one of the companies that I've dealt with who are always one or two steps ahead of the competition. I find that Husky looks at problems from the point of view of the customer, and we've had a very, very good experience with Husky. It's been very, very useful for the technical people. Previously, before ProAct, the service contract that we've signed, we found that there used to be long calls, and sometimes at the weekend, the specialist wasn't available to solve our problem. But with ProAct, it's really been very, very proactive. And Husky knows our problem almost before or in real time. Just as we encounter it, Husky is also aware of it. Many times we are told by Husky technicians that keep an eye on this aspect and take particular care because we think there might be a problem. This has been another level of service, and I'm extremely pleased. And more than me, the technical staff of Ecopack is very happy with the ProAct service contract. So Husky is really holding our hand, and we are more than happy with the way things are progressing.